Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 9 minus 9 divided by 2 then times 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 9 minus 9 equals 0 and 0 divided by 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 0 divided by 6 equals 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, division and multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So we have to handle this division and this multiplication first. Also, we know that division and multiplication have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we calculate 9 divided by 3, which equals 6. So 9 minus 6 times 2. Multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So 6 times 2 equals 12. And 9 minus 12 equals negative 3. So our excuse me, 9 minus 3 equals 3 and 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6 and 9 minus 6 equals 3. So our final answer to this problem is 3.